Take control. Automate smarter.
Hello, shopper. Today we're going to talk about a feature in ShopperX called Backup and Restore, which can save you a lot of time and effort. With this feature, you can back up all your app settings, including your rules and all the stores captured by your ShopperX. This is especially useful when you're switching to a new phone and want to restore your setup, when you need to delete and reinstall the app, or when you want to share your rules and stores with another shopper. So how does it work? When you tap Backup Rules and Stores, the app saves your rules and store list into your activation key at that moment. Later, if you want to recover your setup, just click Restore using the same key, either on the same device, on a new device, or even share your key with a friend so they can use your exact configuration. Now here's something important to keep in mind. When you use Restore, the app will erase everything currently saved, both your rules and store list, and replace it with the data stored in the key's backup. In other words, Restore always overwrites your existing configuration. If you want to share your setup with someone else, just send them your activation key. They can enter it in their app, tap Restore, and instantly get all your rules and stores. It's simple, practical, and fast. Now let's show you step by step how to use this feature inside ShopperX. Now click on Backup Rules and Stores to save your current setup to the key you're using at this moment. Note that the description below shows the date of your last backup. Now we're going to delete all our rules to show you how the restore function works in practice. By going to Settings and entering the key where you previously made the backup, we'll be able to perform the restore. In my case, I'm entering the same key I'm currently using, the one where I saved the backup. And that's it. Your rules and store list are now restored and ready to use again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.